in for a mega unboxing video. As you saw, I have a lot of PR packages that I haven't unboxed. It is also boiling hot. I've had to switch off all the fans, close all the doors so you guys don't hear a lot of traffic. Tie my hair into a high ponytail. Yes, I can do that now. And get ready for this video because you guys know it's not easy to film an unboxing video alone. But yeah, I thought it'd be nice to do it on the table, like a change in like scenery as well as like easier to open, etc, etc. And yeah, lately I've been feeling a bit blah, honestly. Over this week there's been a lot happening that has not been going my way and I've been a bit blah, so I thought let's unbox packages because that's something that always cheers me up. And I feel like even when you're like frustrated or irritated, like that whole action of just going unboxing really helps. So first, I'm just gonna quickly rip open everything so we don't waste like a lot of time like opening and then go to each package because I have a lot, my friends. Are you ready? Okay folks, so there is a lot of stuff. Some stuff that I've actually ordered that is not PR packages that I had bought, which have just been like put into my packages because whenever they come, like my parents have bought their PR packages and just put them to the side. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys everything. But before I start, I do want to say that it is a bit disappointing to see that there's so much waste in so many boxes with PR packages, especially when you do these unboxings at one time. And I wish there was a solution to this, and I really appreciate all the stuff that everybody sends me, but I do feel really bad when I have to you know, kind of clear out the waste after unboxing so many packages. So I really wish we can find a solution to that. Yeah. Okay, let's go on. First box we have is here. This is a box from Popexo. What do we have here? Okay, so this is makeup. Oh, like really pretty makeup. Like I love the packaging. Look at this. This is so cool. This is from Priyanka Gill, the co-founder of Popexo. Thank you, Priyanka. And they have some really cute, pretty stuff. You've got like eyeshadow kits, lip kits, nail polishes in neon colors. Oh my god, I love these colors. Look at these. So yeah, this is really pretty. So Popexo has their own collection now, which is pretty cool. So they just launched their own makeup collection, and this is stuff from their collection. Thank you, Priyanka. Thank you, Popexo. Package number 1 done. Okay, this next one has been around for a while. This is from Instagram and Facebook, I think. Should I say Meta now? Yeah, this was for Diwali. This is how long I haven't opened my like packages for. Really bad, I know. But they've got some lovely like agarbattis and what else? Jaggery. Oh, nice. Just bought some jaggery, but I always like jaggery. You guys know I love jaggery with my dahi, and agarbattis will go to my mother-in-law because she uses them. And the lime ginger rice soap is for my husband because he really loves this soap. I know that, guys. So yeah. Thank you for this, guys, and happy Diwali and Merry Christmas. Okay, this next one is something my husband insisted I order. It's something I've been having for a while. You guys have seen it before, but this is my supplement stuff. We've got Ashwagandha and Triphala, which he thinks are both things I should be like having that are really good. Ashwagandha for stress, Triphala for your great digestive system, which I don't have, and I eat a lot of kachra. So this is why he kind of suggested I have these two. So yeah, I ordered these, like he forced me to order them. I've had them before. I used to have them, then I moved on to the other ones, which was Organic India, but these are like just bigger packages and easier to kind of take long term. So yeah. Gonna get healthy. Okay, another thing I ordered myself, a steamer. So this was, I got a discount on it on Cred actually with my Cred points. And I've been looking for a nice steamer, and somebody I know had recommended this one. Again, let me know in the comments if you want me to like kind of review it in my to buy or not to buy. happy to do that, but apparently this is supposed to be like one of the best steamers and highly recommended, which is why I ordered this guy. Shall use, shall review. Then we have something I ordered again. This is from Amazon. So when I did my jewelry collection video, a lot of you that haven't watched that video still, linking it here. Watch it here, not collection, organization, sorry, like how to organize your jewelry into like boxes and stuff like that. I showed you my dressing table box and I told you guys that I wanted like a similar glass box for that, and a lot of you sent me this link to this Amazon store that does boxes like that. So I ordered this one, which I feel is going to be good for me. For my dressing table, and it's going to fit in all my stuff. It's a nice size. I thought it would be much smaller, but it's a really good size, like showing you my face on the scale. But it does feel a bit delicate. Like I just hope it lasts and doesn't like break or something. But it looks beautiful, and I'm going to stock it and then show it to you. This, which is something like a clothing item, I think. A little soft. It is cloth. Oh, this is Azurina. Okay, so I don't know if you guys remember, but I had these PJs that I bought from Chennai when I went to do like my GottaDoIndia Chennai shoot, and I've worn them for like ages. Then we have two sets, really pretty. There's this one which looks really nice and comfy, and we also have this one which is a zebra print, which I really like. Like, how cute is this? Check it out. So yeah, thank you guys from Azurina Boutique. I will try these and you will see them soon. Then we have something from Nykaa. We've got some cake stuff. This is an eyeshadow palette. We've got a matte compact, contour stick, and lipstick. I have reviewed some K-beauty stuff earlier. Let me know in the comments again if you guys want me to review any of this stuff. If you're interested, I can put it into the videos or an exclusive video or do a short. I don't know. Thanks, Nykaa. Okay, then we have something from Super Tears, which says it's your pet's first aid kit, which is really, really nice because we don't normally have like a first aid kit for like our pets separately, but this one is really, really cute. It has a pet thermometer, some gauze, a sterile pad, and betadine, all of the stuff that you would need in case your pet gets injured, which is really, really nice and sweet. Thank you guys. I hope I don't have to use any of this on Mars anytime soon, but this is really, really thoughtful. Thank you. Then we have some stuff from my friends at ascii. They have a really cool gender next campaign that they're working on social media right now to kind of say breaks gender stereotypes on social media. And this is stuff for that, so check out their Instagram. Also, none of the stuff in this video is hashtag ad or hashtag collaboration. It's all hashtag gifted. If you haven't watched my ascii guideline video, check it out here. Another one of my purchases, friends, my old toothbrush, majorly conked, and I got this again off Cred on a discount. Cred should really pay me for this, but I've never associated with them. I'm just a user. And I like their ads, they're quite fun. This is the same one I have at my house and that I've used before. So I just got the same one because I know it works for me, and it was on discount obviously with my Cred points, which is why I bought it. But you can get this anywhere. It is my go-to toothbrush for now. Okay, what do we have here? This is something from Wella. We have a box full of their newest stuff. We've got some shampoo. We've got some conditioner. This is the Wella Elements Renewing Range. Thank you, Wella, and to everybody watching, if you want a review, you know what to do. Again, two of my very own purchases, just some glass bottles for the house. So strangely enough, we had it was really funny. Last week we had a cat that sneaked into our house. I do not know how that happened. I actually do know it sneaked in through the false ceiling and came out through my kitchen where there's an opening in the false ceiling and from my neighbor's house and like completely destroyed like 6-7 of our water bottles and stuff like that at 7 a.m. So I woke up literally with like a crash boom bang. So yeah, I've been using old like wine bottles and stuff anyways, but I felt like we were running short of bottles, so I just ordered 2 of these off Amazon. They look really good and the glass quality is pretty good as well. These were not cheap, by the way. They're showing us 500 per bottle here. They were cost cheaper than that. I will link them below. I'll try and link whatever I can from this video, so if anyone's interested, at least the stuff that I bought, you can go check it out. But yeah, I'm liking these bottles. Then we have something from my friends at Smashbox. So they have a lot of offers on for the Nykaa Pink sale. So this is one of the boxes that they have on, I think, the Nykaa sale, which is like the duo of 2 lipsticks, which are like, I guess, what is the price? Oh god, I've got such bad eyes. Why can't I read? Like every time there's small font, I feel like There are some great offers on Nykaa, by the way. This is what that is for. So yeah, there are 2 of the lipsticks, the minis, I think. Oh, yeah, they look really pretty, and I love Smashbox lipsticks. I've been using them for a while. I really like how they look, and yeah, let me know again. If you want a review, you know what to do. Okay guys, we're not done yet. I have some boxes here also, so don't worry. अभी टाइम है. ये क्या है? ये क्या है? ये क्या है? Ooh la la! What do we have here? We've got chocolate chips by, this is from Social Ketchup. I was on their magazine cover, in case you've forgotten which month, I don't know, but I'm gonna put that here so you guys can see it. Yummy chocolate crisps are always a good idea. Ooh, this one is exciting. So this is from my friends at Furio. You guys know how much I love using my Furio. I really love using my Furio. And we have something new from Furio. Oh my god, this is the new Luna 3. Very excited to try this. So this is the Luna 3, and they've also sent me their microphone cleanser. So this I'm very excited to try. I've been using Furio like the brush for a while. I have the big one in the same color, and I have this mini one in pink, which I bought at Singapore airport, which seems like another lifetime ago. God, I don't know when I will travel again. By the way, anyone who's interested to send me anywhere, I am ready. I'm ready for a trip now. So all the fam trips, bring them on. Okay, and last but not the least, we have this big guy that just arrived like yesterday. Oh, this is Riya Kapoor for Kai. Okay, this is pretty exciting. Riya just launched a collection on Kai, and I'm pretty sure they're going to be really cool because I've seen stuff on social media and the collection looks pretty cool. This entire box is collapsible and meant to reuse for storage. The sides of the box have detachable wings that come off. Oh, so this is like a little like cocktail setup, which is really pretty with like some glasses, and we have the shoes here. Let's see which ones we have. Ooh, we have these, which are pretty cool. I like these. What do you guys think? Look at that. Thanks Kai, and thanks to everyone at the Kai store and Riya. Can't wait to try these. Okay folks, so those are all the packages that I had to open today. I had a lot of stuff, and I feel like this video is going to be like 10 hours long. But hopefully we will chop, and you will see it in under 20 minutes. So that's it for me, guys. As I said, comment below if you guys want me to review anything, if you guys want links to anything, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.